Alright, well, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Miss Pith. Yeah, so today we got this going on. That is my old Thetford busted up sewer valve. And it was leaking pretty badly. And that is actually a new control rod. It's busted up there because I had to extract the old rod out of this one and put it in the new valve, which is installed for now, but it's gonna have to come back out. And you see that I've got my poop chute pipe all disconnected, and the encapsulator clamshell bracket, whatever, for the cross member. And I've got some epoxy and something to scuff with and some brake parts cleaner, because we've got to fix some stuff. Now, I spoke with Mr. Jim on the phone, and he said that the 3M 5200 is the stuff that's, you know, best for this application, what we're going to have to do. And this actually says bond stronger than 3M 5200. I couldn't find the 3M 5200 anywhere local. Didn't really want to have to wait to order stuff, so we're going to try this. Well, what we got going on is under here, and that is the new valve installed. But the problem is now the flange that the valve hooks to, you see it's missing an ear right there, and underneath, right at that back edge and going all the way around to the other side. Dang, record button got stopped for some reason. But on the bottom side of that flange, kind of in a, you know, half moon shape, is a big old crack where that thing got hit or whacked or just cracked over time with vibration. So we're going to have to do something about that, because that flange is not really replaceable. There's nothing that just will direct fit in it. So we have to address that, because that is actually the source of my major leak. Let me see if I can get around to the other side and get you a better shot of the crack. Alright, there we go. Okay. There, see that big old crack in the flange? And it kind of goes over, under, up, and around. And we're going to have to fill all that stuff in with this epoxy so that that is sealed and the valve will valve. So first I got to clean all of this stuff up real good. And I got me a little, kind of cramped under here. I got a cleaning brush here, and I got some brake parts cleaner. So I'm gonna kind of scuff all this up the best I can. I may go and grab another wire brush. If need be, try and get all this big heavy gunk off of it, and then I'm just going to blast the hell out of it with brake parts cleaner. And then once I get it clean, the brake parts cleaner all dries up, I'm going to slather it in that JB Weld epoxy and let it cure and cross my fingers and hope for the best. It's pretty cold here this morning. It's not as cold as it would be in North Georgia, but the humidity is much higher, so it's like right at 38, 39 degrees. but it feels like it's about 20. The humidity just, oh man, it gets right down into the bone. But that also means that this is going to take a little longer to cure. Once I do get the epoxy applied. I think I am going to have to go get that other wire brush because I don't know if I can get in here with this guy. That's not looking like it. I'm going to have to go get that other brush. But I'm going to do what I can with this first. Anyway, that's what I got going on. So I'm going to clean and clean and clean, and then I'll take a shot of it cleaned, and then try and get video of applying the stuff. Check back with you on a little bit. Alright, I got my stuff. I haven't mixed it yet, but I poured it into my little cup. Yeah, crawl back under here. Yeah. Zoom that back out a little bit. Got it as clean as I can. And now I'm just gonna mix this stuff up and glob it all in there. See if I can smash it all into that little cavity and get it completely full and try and seal this thing up. Alright, I think I got enough of this stuff globbed on there and smashed up in that crevice that hopefully at least the outside of it will be sealed up. And I am freezing, so I'm done. I'm gonna let this do its thing and just try my best to not run any water inside until this cures up. But then I'm gonna have to take the valve back off and then coat the inside as well, because it's cracked all the way through, obviously. Oh, I'm cold. I'm going in.